Alright, hello everybody, it's your boy, Robbie P2. And as always, Robbie P2 family, please, let's check in the comments down below. And, I got a food background, so we got a food vlog here. And welcome to another hashtag Mukbang Monday. So, let's see what we got here. I got some spring rolls. And got another faux dish, which I'll try to hold up the best I can here. And this time here. And so went back and tried again that our local restaurant that is actually called I Love Pho. So we had a good experience with them before. So this time here, we're going to try their grilled combination egg noodle dish here, which has, which in this case here, has egg noodles topped with a whole bunch of meats here. So we got, let's see. You know what? Here we go. You can see, got chicken, some beef, some shrimp, and of course it does have it's a peanut dish. Got a bunch of vegetables. It's got the peanut sauce, and we got in here. We have the spring rolls they came with a little carrot here. And also got their mango boba smoothie to drink. Alright, here. So now we'll try the spring rolls. Try without the sauce first. So, the spring rolls, as you see here, got some poached shrimp and some cabbage, some veggies in there, wrapped inside this little rice, shell. And without the sauce, it's all right. With the sauce, sauce is pretty good. This is actually a peanut sauce, so. Alright, and so I had the wrong sauce before. And of course, not deep fried this time, but not bad at all. So I think we'll give if I did a review, though, the spring rolls could definitely get a little 8, like 8 out of 10. So, I might have figured in a difference between spring rolls and egg rolls is that there's some kind of egg base, I believe. So, and the egg rolls are usually fried. So, and that's definitely the Thai peanut sauce. So I'm sorry for those who have a nut allergy. So, all right, and then next we're moving on. Moving on to the combination plate here, the noodle combination plate with everything, and of course got a little sweet sauce here. Which I'll use to basically season up everything. So, and this is like almost like ramen. So, I mean, in this case, real ramen. So, all right, and just toss that in there. So get an even coating. So, all right. So now we got everything all together, and let's give this a try. Okay, it turns out that was actually a little egg roll that they put in. Not bad at all. Oh. And here's the other little egg roll. These egg rolls are delicious. So. The egg rolls definitely get 10 out of 10. Alright, now. But let's dig in to the main course. Oh, that chicken is definitely seasoned well. Perfectly cooked. And it's also got a little shrimp on here. So, come on. So, that shrimp is just the bomb right there. So, and then, so it's a little combination. It's like, it's like pho cuisine at its finest. Vietnamese cuisine. So, and man, I tell you, this place, this is just delicious. And I hope y'all like this new style here. And I'm sorry y'all can't see the food much. So, 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 question in the chat. Do I have anybody in the audience who actually does eat with chopsticks? So every time I try to eat with chopsticks, I fail. So, but altogether, the meal, this review part here, I'm going to give it a perfect 10. This is just awesome. It's nice and fresh. And shout out to Uber Eats for handling the delivery. So, I decided just want to support my local restaurants. This is some of the best foreign cuisine out here in Colorado Springs. Oh, this is So good. So a little expensive, but worth it. So, and I'm glad I haven't heard of any corporate, you know, Vietnamese corporate chains that come out here though. See, mom and pop restaurants, definitely know how to do that the best. So, originally wanted to get Italian for tonight, but not many Italian restaurants would deliver to my area, and as much as I love Olive Garden, it wasn't anything new to please me here in their delivery. Well, it's more like for catering though. That plus, with the pandemic going on, it's the local restaurants that are really getting hit the hardest. So, and with all the staffing, like with the staffing issues, supply, business operations, the whole shebang. So, so I figured this is a good way to, show some love to our mom and pop restaurants. And also, venture into cuisine, from other cultures. Oh, I just can't say enough about this. Let's see. Almost finished here. Figure we could do it all in one take. So. And I could tell you, Vietnamese restaurants and Chinese restaurants, man, they're known, for giving you like very generous portions. Mm. That was amazing. And then now, try my drink here. Got one of these wide straws because this time I ordered one of their boba drinks. Ordered the, originally I wanted to order the mango smoothie, but then we're out of the mango, so we tried passionfruit. And smoothie could be a little more smooth, but hey, versus the liquid on the bottom, but then got the little boba things on the bottom. And of course, I put whipped cream on the top. So, could be a little thicker because I know smoothies are generally like a fruit and yogurt based. And do have some ice in there. But I guess that's an American thing versus like a Chinese or Vietnamese style. But very flavorful. So the juice itself would definitely be a passion fruit, that is. I think I would give that. I'll give the entire smoothie like at least a 8 out of 10. I think it could have been blended a little better. I mean, with like yogurt or something like that, but hey. I'm just trying not to go hard on these mom and pop restaurants. So. But hey, overall, good job. Good job, I Love Pho. And I think we'll be seeing their restaurant on my channel again. All right. And so, please let me know what you think in the comments down below. And please do keep the comments positive. I greatly appreciate that. And, as always, for those who are brand new to my channel, please help the channel out. Hit that big red subscribe button. Ring the notification bell and turn on all notifications. And watch at least 2 minutes of content. Leave some comments, thumbs ups. You know, that's this one here. Not this one, this one. And you know, make sure to support everyone else. And for those who are interested in doing a food collaboration or have any requests, please feel free to send those to me either via email at robbyp2vlogs@gmail.com, or you can also message me on Instagram at robbyp2_vlogs. All that info is going to be in the About tab of my channel either way. And I hope you like this new format, with me with my multiple backgrounds. Sorry I didn't see much of the food, though. But, we are trying, folks. Other than that, thank you all for watching. And everybody, please, stay happy, stay safe, and stay positive. Your boy, Robbie P2, out.